Hey Vivek.
Hey Maya.
Vivek, do you know that whatever function or activity we perform is due to signals sent by our brain to various body parts?
How so?
It is due to control and coordination in body. Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel AskPrep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about control and coordination. All living organisms including plants and animals respond and react to environmental factors or stimuli. There is necessity to develop some system for control and coordination of various body organs. In multicellular organisms, specialized tissue is used for control and coordination activities. Control and coordination in animals are provided by nervous and muscular tissues. Chemical coordination is seen in both plants and animals. Animals' nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network of specialized cells and structures responsible for coordinating and controlling bodily functions, processing sensory information, and facilitating communication within the body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis, enabling movement, and garnering higher cognitive functions such as learning, memory, and emotion. The nervous system is divided into two main components, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. Neurons. Neurons are nerve cells that send messages all over your body to allow you to do everything from breathing to talking, eating, walking, and thinking. It is specialized for transmitting electrical and chemical signals, allowing communication within the nervous system and between the nervous system and other parts of the body. Neurons have a characteristic structure, consisting of three main parts, the cell body, dendrites, and axon. Each of these components plays a specific role in the function of a neuron. One cell body, soma. The cell body, also called the soma, is the central part of the neuron. It contains the nucleus, which houses the genetic material, DNA, and organelles like the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. To dendrites. Dendrites are thin, branched extensions from the cell body. Their primary function is to receive signals from other neurons or sensory receptors. Dendrites increase the surface area of the neuron, allowing it to form connections, synapses, with many other neurons. When a signal or action potential reaches the dendrites, it is transmitted to the cell body for processing. 3. Axon. The axon is a long, slender extension that carries electrical signals away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. It can vary in length from a few millimeters to over a meter, depending on its function and location. Human brain. The human brain plays a central role in control and coordination within the body, managing a vast array of functions that range from basic physiological processes to complex cognitive activities. It coordinates sensory input, motor output, and regulates vital functions while also enabling higher-order thinking, emotions, and social behaviors. Here's a brief overview of how the brain achieves control and coordination. Brain structure and function. The brain is part of the central nervous system, CNS, which also includes the spinal cord. It is divided into three primary regions that contribute to control and coordination in distinct ways. 1. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for higher cognitive functions, voluntary movement, and sensory processing. It is divided into left and right hemispheres, connected by the corpus callosum, allowing for communication between the two sides. The cerebrum has 4 lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital, each with specific roles in control and coordination. 2. Frontal lobe governs decision-making, problem-solving, planning, and motor control. 3. Parietal lobe processes sensory information and integrates it with spatial orientation. 4. Temporal lobe involved in auditory processing, language comprehension, and memory. 5. Occipital lobe responsible for visual processing. 6. Cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, the cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements, maintains balance, and regulates muscle tone. It plays a crucial role in fine-tuning motor actions and ensuring smooth execution of movements. 7. Brainstem, connecting the brain to the spinal cord, the brainstem is the control center for basic life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. It includes the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, which coordinate reflexes and automatic responses. A delicate organ like the brain, which is so important for a variety of activities, needs to be carefully protected. For this, the body is designed so that the brain sits inside a bony box. Inside the box, the brain is contained in a fluid-filled balloon which provides further shock absorption. If you run your hand down the middle of your back, you will feel a hard, bumpy structure. This is the vertebral column or backbone which protects the spinal cord. Coordination in plants. Animals have a nervous system for controlling and coordinating the activities of the body. But plants have neither a nervous system nor muscles. When we touch the leaves of a tree mui, the sensitive or touch-me-not plant of the mimosa family, they begin to fold up and droop. There is no growth involved in this movement. On the other hand, the directional movement of a seedling is caused by growth. If it is prevented from growing, it will not show any movement. So plants show two different types of movement, one dependent on growth and the other independent of growth. Hormones in animals. Hormones are chemical messengers in animals that play a crucial role in control and coordination within the body. Produced by endocrine glands, hormones are released into the bloodstream and act on specific target organs or tissues, regulating a wide array of physiological processes. This system of hormonal control, known as the endocrine system, interacts with the nervous system to maintain homeostasis, support growth and development, and coordinate responses to internal and external stimuli. Key functions of hormones. Hormones influence many bodily functions, including 1. Growth and development. Hormones such as growth hormone and thyroid hormones regulate growth and development in animals. 2. Metabolism. Insulin and glucagon are involved in regulating blood glucose levels and energy metabolism. 3. Reproduction. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone control reproductive processes and sexual characteristics. 4. Stress response. Hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline are central to the body's response to stress or danger. 5. Homeostasis. Hormones help maintain internal balance, regulating temperature, hydration, and electrolyte levels.
Maya, it's funny how this conversation turned into a class.
Yes, I learned it at AskPrep.
I will also subscribe to their channel.
Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.